I'm grateful for the breathtaking beauty of nature that surrounds me. I'm thankful for the calming and healing energy I receive from spending time in nature. I'm grateful for the abundance of fresh air and clean water that nature provides. I'm thankful for the vibrant colors and fragrances of flowers, plants, and trees. I'm grateful for the soothing sound of birds chirping and the rustling of leaves in the wind. I'm thankful for the awe-inspiring landscapes and majestic mountains that inspire me. I'm grateful for the diversity and interconnectedness of all living beings in nature. I'm thankful for the wisdom in nature that teaches me about resilience and adaptability. I'm grateful for the opportunity to witness the cycles of life and the seasons in nature. I'm thankful for the peace and tranquility that nature brings to my mind and my soul. I'm grateful for the healing powers and grounding effect of walking barefoot on the earth. I'm thankful for the healing and rejuvenating properties of nature on my physical and mental well-being. I'm grateful for the abundance of nourishing and nutritious food that nature provides. I am thankful for the intricate and delicate ecosystems that sustain life on our planet. I'm grateful for the serenity and harmony I experience when I connect with nature. I am thankful for the sense of wonder and awe that nature evokes within me. I'm grateful for the opportunity to witness the miracles of birth and growth in nature. I'm thankful for the opportunity to explore and discover the hidden treasures of nature. I'm grateful for the peacefulness and tranquility I find in the presence of trees and forests. I'm thankful for the sense of freedom and liberation I feel when I immerse myself in nature. I'm grateful for the reminder that nature provides about the importance of balance and harmony. I'm thankful for the inspiration and creativity that nature sparks within me. I'm grateful for the sense of connectedness and unity I feel with all living beings in nature. I'm thankful for the opportunity to witness the resilience and strength of nature in the face of adversity. I'm grateful for the gift of nature and the abundant blessings it brings into my life. Take a moment today to connect with the beauty of nature and express your gratitude, whether it's a simple walk in the park, tending to your garden, or just gazing at the sunset. Let nature's wonders inspire and uplift your spirit. Share your experiences and reflections in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to stay connected for more uplifting content. Together, let's cultivate a grateful heart and embrace the abundant blessings of nature. Thank you for watching.